Welcome to my channel, Technology in the Future. So before the release of the next generation of the Samsung Galaxy 4, the Galaxy Z44, by August of this year, sources reveal the first amazing concept design of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Most recently, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra concept revealed that the upcoming device would be great. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra concept has again appeared on the network with a more futuristic approach than this year's Galaxy S22 Ultra. The device seems to slim, and yes, the no module camera design with the Note Plus a combination is making a comeback. Looking at the late ranges, you can see the amazing green color of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Korean brand has unveiled two devices that will debut soon, and they have certainly captured the attention of the Android community. From the next generation of the Galaxy Fold, the Z44 to the new upcoming series, the Galaxy S23, they showcase pretty click hardware design and sure to get an upgrade guarantee. 4 years of Android updated plus 5 years of security patches on the front of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. It has curved edges and a punch-hole display like its Galaxy S22 predecessor. The conceptual design of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra shows little difference in camera placement from what we are used to. As you can see in the video, the main camera is rear range in the 2+2 form factor. The sensor of the main camera and wide-angle cameras are placed vertically, while the other two telephoto lenses are placed in parallel, with one lens mounted next to the circle of the LED flash. Furthermore, the front side of the phone looks identical to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, having a hole punch and curved edges. The right side has a volume rocker and a power button key, and the S Pen can come out from the bottom left side. The conceptual design of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is just a hint of what's to come, as we are still looking forward to the release of this amazing device early next year. According to the previous leaks and the rumors, we might see the Galaxy S23 sometime in January or February 2023. Since there is still much time for the device to get officially announced, we will get familiar with more leaks in the coming time, and we will make sure to inform you of the latest updates. That's it. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.